Hello and Merry Christmas to you. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare this assorted Christmas cookie box. There are 3 flavors of cookies in this box, which is made out of just one dough. These cookies does not contain any refined flour and they're eggless. I'm going to show you step by step how to make the dough and then how to add different flavors to it. Then we'll cut the cookies. We will bake a few in the regular oven and a few in a makeshift oven on the gas stove. Please do subscribe if you like the content and please press the notification bell icon for new video updates. Now let's get started with our recipe. In a mixing bowl, take half cup of refined oil. Add 1 cup of powdered sugar to this. Stir until the sugar dissolves properly in the oil. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix properly. In a separate mixing bowl, add 2 cups of atta and 1 cup of oatmeal flour. If you don't have oatmeal flour, just take 3 cups of atta. Add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix all the dry ingredients properly with a spoon. Now we will add the dry ingredients to the sugar and oil mixture. I have done this in batches, mixing small quantity at a time and then again adding a little bit more. Now take 1 cup of milk and add again step by step as required to make a smooth dough. Knead with your hands properly. Once the dough is ready and of the consistency as shown in the video, divide it into 3 parts. Now take one portion out of it and add 1 tablespoon of butter and knead it properly till the butter mixes properly in the dough. Cover the dough with a plastic wrap and keep it aside. Now take the second part of the dough and add 1 to 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder and again knead properly until the cocoa powder mixes properly with the dough. Wrap this and keep it aside, and in the third part add some red food color and again knead it properly to mix the color. Now refrigerate these 3 different types of cookie doughs for at least 30 minutes. In the meantime, I am going to make an oven over my gas. I have taken a wide bottom pan and added half cup of salt to it, and then I am using this pressure cooker plate with holes and cover it over low flame for at least 20 minutes. These are few of the cookie cutters that I am going to use. After 30 minutes, take out the dough from the refrigerator. Dust the surface you are going to roll the dough with some flour and then roll the dough about ½ inch thick. If the dough cracks, no worries, just put it together with your hand. So actually this is my daughter who is cutting these cookies. She really wanted to do it and I'm helping her do it. So we have cut out a few cookies and now I'm going to bake them in my makeshift oven. The flame should be really low. Cover the pan properly and then we will bake them for at least 20 minutes on low flame. Now I will take the chocolate cookie dough and then give some shape to them. These cookies I'll bake in my regular oven because the makeshift oven is already being used and we can bake only few cookies in it at a time. So my regular oven I will preheat it at 180 degrees centigrade. Please follow the video to see what kind of shapes you could give these cookies. So my chocolate cookie doughs are almost ready to be baked. I will keep them aside and go on to my next and the last dough, that was the red sugar cookie dough. Each time you roll a dough, don't forget to dust your surface with some flour. So these cookies are also ready to be baked. I'm going to bake these cookies and the chocolate cookies in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Let's check the cookies in the makeshift oven. I guess they're almost ready. Yes, they are ready. And yes, these cookies are also ready after 25 minutes of baking. So I'll let all the cookies cool to room temperature before putting any decoration on them. Just going to show one of them which were baked on the gas stove. See how nicely they are done. So for decoration I have some melted dark chocolate, strawberry jam, some white icing, some green icing and melted white chocolate. You can decorate them as you wish. So this is a very easy and nice idea, filling the cookie with strawberry jam, and it tastes delicious. So I'm putting white chocolate on these hard cookies. This is green icing, so I just took half a cup of icing sugar and added some milk to it to make a thick paste, and then added a few drops of green edible color. This is white icing that I am using on this snowflake. So that's all for my decorations. So my cookie box is ready, filled with 3 flavors of cookies made out of just one dough, and they are eggless and healthy. They look so beautiful and tastes amazing, I bet. Thank you for watching. If you like the recipe, do share with your family and friends, and please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and please press the notification bell icon for further video updates.